what's up guys? I'm back. I'm finna do something new and I'm stepping away from the cars for a second and do something else that I love. And that is shoes. I'm about to do a review on a pair of shoes that I bought. I don't know really how to do this, but I'm gonna learn how to do it today. So we about to open this box of shoes, first review on them. And they are called the Adidas Pharrell Hu Dash Greens. And I'm about to get them out the box, show y'all what they look like, give y'all a rundown on them, tell you how I feel about them, and I may tell you how much I spent on them. I might. So, one second, let me grab these shoes off the floor, and just hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna have to get up, show y'all this. You ain't gonna see me. Oh, dropped my receipt. But you can see the shoes. That dash green is like a turquoise green. Now I'm finna sit back down because I ain't finna stand the whole time. It's a dash green. It's called dash green. And shout out to StockX. We verified. Of course, I don't wear nothing fake. So, straight out the box, let's talk about these shoes. Let's talk about these shoes. Women, y'all would love these shoes. Period. Poo. Women would love these shoes. Why? Because they come in a variety of colors. They're comfortable. They only got that much shoe screen in them. They also come with another pair of shoestrings, as you can see. A blue pair. The quality on these shoes are actually good. I mean, to be Adidas, I don't wear Adidas. I'm a Jordan guy, and the quality of these shoes is pretty good. I kind of fell in love with these shoes because of the words that come on the front. I don't know what that say. That's in like a Tokyo name or something. But I got another pair that says human race, and I'll show you those. And these shoes, they run true to size. This is a size 11 for you big foot people. So if you wear a 9, get a 9. If you got a fat foot, you may have to go a size up, but they kind of, it's a flexible shoe. It's not a tight shoe. It's pretty flexible. It's not made like Air Force Ones or Jordans. You stick your foot in it and you go with it. You can wear this with a bunch of things, like sweatpants. You can wear it with your Levi's, your skinny jeans, whatever you want to wear it with. Just don't wear it with shorts. I can't see myself wearing it with shorts unless they're like Adidas shorts and they're like knee high. So, back to getting the review on them. That turquoise green is pretty clean. I like that. That off blue, like a baby bluish, matte baby bluish color, that's different. The bottom online, it looks white, but it's more of a tannish color. That, I don't know if that's glow in the dark or not. I need to figure that out, because that's like a neon green. The shoe itself, comfortable. You can see the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but these are some nice shoes, man. And then get the other side. They have different things on the front of the shoe, which is pretty dope to me. You can't go wrong with these shoes. So, I like them. These, I paid $185 for. $185, $200. Our StockX, when on the GOAT, there was a little higher. So, I'm gonna do a little walk around with them, and I'm gonna go on some pants, some sweatpants, actually show y'all how they fit, how they'll look. And I'm finna show you my other ones first before I go. I can get back up. Getting old. Okay, these are my other ones. I forget the name of these, but same shoe, same size, size 11. But these say Motherland on the front of the shoe. Pink, like a zebra stripe theme, blue, yellow, white, green, every which color, every color you can name. It just got a whole bunch of colors. These shoes are comfortable. I wore these shoes for like 6-7 hours one day, just out and about, just walking around, doing a lot of walking. I had no problems. So I recommend these shoes to anybody who like to walk. And women, if you're pregnant, you should get these shoes. You should really get these shoes if you're pregnant, because these shoes are comfortable. You know what I'm saying? How can you go wrong with a good looking shoe that's comfortable? And I want to step away from the Yeezys, because I really don't want to get into Yeezy. I really don't like them. And this is the only Adidas I probably wear. It is a pair of Yeezys I want though, but I only wear these. So I'm finna do a little walk around and show y'all what it looking like with some jeans on and some sweatpants. That's it. I went over the shoes with you, show you how they look, told you how I felt about them, how they feel. As you can see, I still got them with me, and I showed you how they look with sweatpants and jeans. And of course, I couldn't show you how they look with shorts, because I mean, you only see my ankles anyway. So yeah, that's it for this one. I'll be buying more shoes and doing another review. Comment, you know, let me know what shoes you think I should buy, and if they not too pricey, I get them. But if they Jordans, I'm definitely gonna get them. But I'll probably be back with another pair of these, and if anybody want them, I'll put the link in the description. These are the Adidas Hu by Pharrell Dash Green. All of them have that on the tongue, so yeah. I'm out. Catch me next time.